welcome back. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60 with another challenge lock. And this is a Binco. And it's pinned by TrekMaster30. And I believe the name is the warm-up lap. I can't really read his handwriting. I'm not sure if that's what it is. TrekMaster30, if that's wrong, if you can correct me in the comments, that'd be great. It's mummy. It's a Schleg type keyway. And it was sent to me by Bobby Keyz. Bobby Keyz, thanks a lot for this lock, man. And all the other ones, as usual. We really appreciate it. And let's go to the back. Oh, let me get a little close up here. Alright, let's get the back. Got a full set on 4. Bounce around on 3. 3, I lost it. That was 4. That was 2. That was 3. I got a deeper false set off of 1. And there we go. 1 opened it up. Hopefully I won't need a key. Pin and tray out. Excuse me. Alright. What did I do with my screwdriver? Here it is. Of course it is. Phillips. Trek, thanks a lot, man. This lock was a lot of fun. Fun to get into. Back up a bit. I don't think I'll be able to get a shim in there. That sucker's tight. Okay, I was able to. Alright. Alright. There we go. See what we got here. Got threading on 1, 2, I believe, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, and I believe nothing in 5. And pin in number 5 looks really strange. Alright, and everything's below the shear line. But as you can see, 1, 4, and 5 is really low. So, let's see. That's 2. That's 1. 3. Okay. Let's take a look at the Bible again. Yep. Just as I thought. Alright. Let's check the Bible here. See what kind of magic you got in here. That looks like a spool, a deep spool. A loosely bound steel spring. Another spool. This one's a little deeper. And same type of spring in 2. Standard driver in 3. Alright, can't get that one. That's, oh yeah, there it is. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm starting to believe that the springs are all the same. And a double serrated pin driver. And a deep spool in 5. I don't know if that helps, but it looks like they all may be threaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yep, all threaded. Okay, so slide over a bit. Sorry about that. Let's take a better look at these pens. Excuse me. Number 1 key pen is a double serrated, and number 2 is a spool. 3 is standard. 4 is double serrated but a little tighter and sharper. Number 5 is a spool with a real sharp top, and the top is a little undersized. And like I said, spool. Number 2 is a spool. 3 is standard. Number 4 is serrated. And another spool, number 5. And the springs are all the same, steel and same loose bound. Alright, well, thank you so much for joining me. I hope everyone have a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year. And hopefully you guys, that everyone has their shopping done. Be safe, stay legal. Like, share, subscribe. And as always, stay calm and pick on. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.